Slow sand filtration is ecological purification system. Food chain is the key of this treatment. The first public water supply by slow sand filtration was 200 years ago in Scotland. They believe purification was by the mechanical sieving. I noticed that slow means gentle for organisms. The origin of the name was filtered by the gravel and sand. John Gibbs sold the clear water to the public. Young James Simpson started to work at Cheshire Water Works Company. He made a newly vertical type of filter, sedimentation basin and vertical filters. At that time, the River Thames was polluted. They called monster soup. The slow sand filter provides safe drinking water, free of pathogens, to residents in London. This filter spread around the world and was known as the English filter. The most clear proof of filtration was provided in 110 years ago. Hamburg suffered from a cholera epidemic and caused more than 7,500 deaths, while Altona escaped. Rapid sand filter by chemical treatment was invented in United States in 130 years ago. 100 years ago, chlorine was adopted. People loved this new chemical technology in all over the world. Slow sand filter is natural filter, and rapid sand filter is commercial filter, but addition of chlorine is essential to kill the bacteria. This consumer report gave big caution in the world. Cancer risk in tap water was caused the heavily polluted source of chemical contaminations. This is so-called trihalomethane. In Weather City, Sgadaira Reservoir was built in 1968. Phytoplankton bloom was observed in this new reservoir, and the odor problem in tap water occurred in Weather City. In 1970, pre-chlorination had been done in these waterworks in order to kill the algal growth. After the consumer report, this pre-chlorination was stopped. Then the tap water became good taste. However, heavy algal bloom in filter pond was observed. Waterworks manager said there were good algae and bad algae. Solar radiation leads to the bottom. There is a constant downward current. On the sand bed, only the filamentous algae can grow. Filamentous algae lift from the bottom to the surface by the bubbles which are produced by photosynthesis. The floated algae runs away from the scum outlet. This filter becomes a continuous culture system of filamentous algae. I made algal mat sampler. Algal flora on the first day after scrapping was almost the same of perphyton in a river, but most cells were empty condition. During the filter run, only the filamentous diatom grew fast and it became active condition. In June, at the beginning, same flora at the riverbed was remarkable. Then the filamentous diatom of Melochira dominated. In winter, algae were same as perphyton on a riverbed. Solar radiation increased, then filamentous diatom of Melochira variants dominated. Melochira might grow under the high nutrient condition and high solar radiation. Slow sand filter is a suitable environment for the filamentous algae. I studied on the role of algal in this system. I recognize this system is ecological purification system. In cold season, the filter was easily clogged with small amount load of suspended matter. However, when the filamentous diatom was seen, the filter did not so easily clog. Algal growth of Melochira was a beneficial effect of this system. In winter, attached algae just accumulated and these algae became the clogging material. When the algal growth was observed, filter did not clog. When tap water had odor smell, they treated pre-chlorination. In this time, the clogging pattern was similar with in winter. Growing algae is remarkable in summer. All the floating algae was collected and it was harvested. Active growth means an automatic removal of nutrient and suspended matter. Active growth keeps aerobic condition even in the night. Continuous culture system and the faster flow rate makes better to keep aerobic condition. Algal growth gives many beneficial effects. My first visit to Thames water was in August in 1992. Filamentous green algae was remarkable in summer. They called blanket weed. They told me, please come in winter. There is a bloom of Merothera. Blanket weed of Cladophora in summer, and filamentous diatom Merothera remarkable in winter. The biomass in winter is larger than in summer. In winter, algal growth kept the logarithmic growth, but the algal biomass was almost constant in summer. Algal condition in summer is unhealthy. There was a peak biomass of filamentous diatom of Merothera. Then it decreased. After 40 days, coconates showed a remarkable biomass. Coconates was seen as the attached alga on Cladophora. I was surprised with the high nutrient in water. Filamentous diatom was a pioneer. Algal succession was seen due to the grazing pressure. In Somia water works, filter run is less than 1 month. Algal succession did not complete in summer. We tried to add the nutrient into the filter bone, but algae did not grow in winter. However, algae grow well in a model and bottle. These environments received enough solar radiation. I checked algal development and the midge larvae. The seasonal difference of algal growth pattern was almost the same as Thames filter. Healthiness patterns are almost the same. In summer, there are abundance of dead algae and fecal pellets of midge larvae. Algae and animals grow well at the shallow depths. Shallow depths makes healthy condition of all of biological communities. The time passing this active layer is only several minutes. The time of ecological purification is instant. Scrapping the surface mat means a removal of biological active layer. This treatment makes bad condition. Food chain is the essential of ecological purification system. Collection time is very short, but there is a long-term action in the fecal pellet. Slow means gentle for organisms. Sand and gravel do not move even under high-speed current. Many organisms can actively live in this environment. Sand is only the habitat for organisms. I went to many countries. In Sri Lanka, I advised to make new plant. The engineer said to me, this is natural filter. Behind one is commercial filter. In Indonesia, I advised to make new plant for the local people. In Bangladesh, I helped to make new plant, which is arsenic-free, safe drinking water. In Nigeria, in Africa, new slow sand filter was completed in 2004. In China, in 2008, after the big earthquake in Wenchang, Mr. Jin Chen Che made new slow sand filter plant using my idea. Food chain is the key for purification. Micro and small animals collect any particles and decompose them. This is instant purification system. When we rename from slow sand filter to the ecological purification system, we may not misunderstand essential and fundamental process. This English innovation is just refocused as ecological purification system.